The question is, in a vernier caliper, each mean scale division is 1 mm. Now if 10 vernier scale divisions coincide with 9 mean scale division, then the least count of the vernier caliper is. So basically what is the what we know actually is the number of divisions that coincide of vernier scale and main scale are equal. So we can write as we can write this as 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. 9 main scale division. So though we know the value of 1 MSD, which is 1 main scale division is equal to 1 mm, as written here. For the value of 1 VSD, and first of all, why are we taking out all these values? Because we have to find the least count of the vernier calipers, and least count of vernier caliper is nothing but 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. We have this value but not this one, so we'll find this with the help of MSD. So if 10 MSD is equal to 9, 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD, so 1 VSD will be equal to 9 upon 10 MSD, or you can say 0.9 MSD. This is the value of 1 VSD. So least count is 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So what is the value? So 1 minus, what is the VSD? Value of 1 VSD is 0.9 MSD. This is the least count, and 1 MSD this equals 0.1, and 1 MSD equals 1 mm. So how much this value comes out to be? 0.1 mm. This is the least count of the particular vernier caliper that is given. So the answer is 0.1 mm. This is the correct answer. Thank you.